Hipobook. Powerful bookkeeping software. In this video, I'll show you how to add vendors in Hipobook system. To add on vendor, click on the vendor tab, and click on Add New Vendor. Then add the values in accordance with your needs. In the upcoming video, I'll demonstrate how to add and track expenses. Don't forget that adding a vendor will help you construct expenses in a more structured manner. Subscribe to our channel to receive updates as soon as the video is released. Though it is meant to be an example, I have included all of the vendor's data here, hence, all of the information added is not appropriate. Click the Add button to add a new vendor after you have entered all the necessary information. You may easily click the Edit option from the vendors page if you ever want to update your vendor's name, phone number, email address, or any other personal information. Then you may adjust as necessary. I'll just be updating the email address as an example here. Adding a vendor to your Hipobook system is quite simple. We will cover adding expenses and their categories in the upcoming video.